friends. This is Mrs. Thompson with you today for your fluency today. Boys and girls, we have two fluency options. One is for sprints and the other one is group counting. We're going to start with the sprint today. Today we will learn to understand the meaning of the unknown as the size of the group in division. I can find the unknown size of the group in a division problem. All right, fluency option 1 is our sprint. So boys and girls, go ahead and get out your fluency workbook and go to the next sprint. It is the addition as multiplication sprint. Should be the very next one for lesson 4. All right. If you need to pause here, go ahead and do so. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and get started. You have 60 seconds to get as many done as possible. On your mark, get your pencils ready, and go. And stop, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and go over the answers. Draw a line where you stopped, and remember you're going to circle anything that you got wrong. And if you got something right, you're going to whisper yes. Number 1, 15. Number 2, 15. Number 3, 15. Number 4, 6. Number 5, 6. Number 6, 6. Number 7, 10. Number 8, 10. Number 9, 10. Number 10 is 8. Number 11 is 8. Number 12 is 8. Number 13 is 10. Number 14 is 10. Number 15 is 10. Number 16 is 6. Number 17 is 6. Number 18 is 6. Number 19 is 20. Number 4 is 20. Number 21 is 20. Number 22 is 4. Number 23 is 12. Number 24 is 12. Number 25 is 12. Number 26 is 9. Number 27 is 9. Number 28 is 15. Number 29 is 15. Number 30 is 15. Number 31 is 14. Number 32 is 14. Number 33 is 14. Number 34 is 18. Number 35 is 18. Number 36 is 18. Number 37 is 12. Number 38 is 12. Number 39 is 12. Number 40 is 16. Number 41 is 16. Number 42 is 16. Number 43 is 28. And number 44 is 28. Boys and girls, go ahead and write the number at the top where it says number correct for your fluency today. And you guys may choose to do B if your teacher chooses to do so. Otherwise, you're done with your sprint today. Enjoy the rest of your math lesson.